this is Tammy with Love to Create, and I thought I'd show you what my plan is for, my new plan is for my letter sticker storage. I have a couple of different things I've been trying out. First, I just kind of had them stacked in a bin, and I'd go through them. Then I did an actual album where I went through and used my fuse tool and made pockets and put them in, and that didn't quite work because then it filled up so quickly that I would have had to have had a bunch of those. So then lately I just piled them in here. So I have all kinds of like little random ones, and this really isn't working either because it is too hard to go through and just kind of quickly see what you have for letters. So this weekend I got one of these big crates. It's really deep, and I am gonna try to store these like going sideways. So let's see how that works, and maybe I'll try like some of the packaged ones first, or ones that are still in the package, like these. So, and I didn't even try this yet. I probably should have. That works pretty good. And then I think, because I have these dividers that I could put in here too. So I don't know if I'll end up using those or not. Probably will, in order to keep them, you know, from falling. So I'm going to put these all to put this together, and then I will come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, so I'm coming back to show you what it looks like, and I really like it. I think it's going to work out perfect for me. So what I ended up doing was I still used these plastic sheets that I had made with my fuse tool. I had a ton of these layout pages that I never make full-size layouts anymore. I'm mostly doing like Project Life. So I cut the side off that has the holes for the binding, and then I went through and like, and this is probably gonna bug me, but I think some of them are going a different direction, but like I tried to put my golds together. This one ended up being white because, let me find my other gold. Oh, I know why it was turned like that. So all the golds matched. And then I have like all my whites, the ones that I haven't opened yet, I can just go in and put them like that. So I have them done by color, and then like, okay, so orange. And some of these I had, like these are loose sheets, and then some of them I have a package that's not opened. So I just put those in with those. Now where did I have the orange? I guess it doesn't matter, does it? So, and then that only came to about right here. So I didn't have as many letters as I thought. Haha. But I can tell right now that I need more gold. Just saying. So then I ended up, and I use these all the time. I went to like a October afternoon warehouse sale, probably, I don't know, maybe 3 years ago. And I still have tons of their letters, which they're amazing to have. So, and I used to keep those on a binder and then just drag them out, so I can put those in here as well. And then I also have some of their other letters that I had gotten at that same sale. So I put those in there. And then I'm thinking I'm going to need one for this type of stuff. Now, this is all I have right now, but which is a ton. But it's all going to work in here. So I really like this setup. I'm sure this thing probably weighs a ton. I haven't tried to pick it up yet. I did run into, like, I had some Tim Holtz letters, these letters, and these are actually too wide to fit in there, so it's not going to work for these, so I'll still have to have these somewhere. But other than that, that is going to be my storage, and it fits perfectly, so I will just maybe put it under my table or something. So I'm thinking I need to do something similar with my little letters, because I kind of have them. I was going to grab a basket, but it'd be too much work. But I wouldn't need it this big. So anyway, I'm interested to hear how you store your letters. So let me know in the comments below.